here is how you can get the Good Luck app on your Samsung phone. Let me explain it from multiple different angles. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. Okay, so the Samsung phones can get the Good Luck app, which allows you for more customization of the device. The way that you can find it is that you can get it from the app store, like the place where you download the apps, but not from the actual Play Store, not from the Google Play, which is indicated by the play icon, but instead you should look up the Samsung Store. So it is called officially the Samsung Galaxy Store, but as an icon on your phone, it should just say the store. It kind of looks like the shopping bag, which you can get inside, and of course you need to be signed in with your Samsung account to proceed. But the point is that it is part of this store. You can go to the apps and click on the search and then just type in the Good Luck. So it should give you the ability to download it, and you should already be able to see it. If you do not see it, we're going to get into it in just a second, but if you do see it, just click on a download or update and you will have it downloaded as a separate application on your device, which you can then use to customize some random things. But if you do not have it, it could be caused by various different reasons. Like if you look it up through the Galaxy Store, but it doesn't show up, you can just leave the Galaxy Store and open up the regular Play Store. In there, you can look up for an alternative method, which is called Find Lock, which kind of looks like this. It is literally called Find Lock, and you can install this application. You can see that it is only available for Samsung devices, and you can install it and get inside. And when you get in here, you can kind of use the same stuff, sort of, but it's not really officially made by this, right? So you can see that you can kind of get it the same stuff, but using the APK Mirror website. So you kind of download it from another source, which is not the official one, but you could technically get it this way. So part of the Good Luck app, you have some things like the Quick Star or the Nav Bar or Registar and so on, right? And these are the apps which allow you to customize the look of the device. For example, customize the status bar icons or the way your buttons, the home button, back button look, and so on, right? So that is the way you can kind of get it outside of the Samsung Galaxy Store. But as I say, the best way would be to go through it officially. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to see you later in the future uploads.